Good evening. My name is Norberto Hurtado from the group 16 to mark the presentings of the select plastic waste. Recovery plants. Plastics contained on the parking represents approximately on the third part of the total urban solid waste. Some effect means to reduce the large volumes of the waste in the promotion of the use and recycling of them. Plastic recovery or part of strategic planning which will be necessary to design the system of recovery of waste material, where in our words to create the plans that will be executed to the objective, have a financial resource according to the process that are fast implemented because this will be necessary to be able to execute some of the options promised and math. Reducing the use of virgin plastic, recuperating the material recovered for use in the market process. Plastic recovery proposal. The problem and the facilitating the process of reducing of the residues resulting from the process productivity and the of some consumption. Different stores have been proposed like achieve the tariffs amount on base materials in the containers and packaging. Change in the container groups unit change. Some materials that are more recycled or have already been recycled. The reduces of the containers and packaging the increase in the level of protection gap between the containers and packaging. To reduce the products damage of change in the product design hack resulting in the more efficient park. Gracias.